Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways thanks to which you can check the IMEI number, and let's start with the quickest option with a secret code. So we have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, which is a little bit different and a little bit longer. However, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to simply tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Then let's go to the detailed info and specs. And here we have to scroll down to tap on the status. And as you can see, in the device details, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.